Tightening the screws on the tube adapter alters the signals from the sensors. Therefore, the Kenevo must be recalibrated after each adjustment of these screws. As an example, this happens when the alignment is changed after checking measurements on the Lazar posture or 3D Lazar posture. It is necessary to fully unweight the prosthesis and then click the Calibrate button in Case Soft when performing a calibration. It is not necessary for the user to remove the prosthesis during calibration. It is sufficient to lift the leg. If the Kenevo is not calibrated, stance release will not be triggered or will be triggered at the wrong time. Functions such as supported sitting down, standing up, and the wheelchair function also require calibrated knee joint to function properly.